Hey gang, Will back again with another unboxing video here at Blue Label Cigar Lounge. So we have a couple of these boxes. One's heavy, one's not. I don't know which is in either one, so I'm gonna have to try. I'll take the light one first. As you can see, they came from La Aurora, Fratello Cigars. And I'm looking over here at my thing. So we're supposed to have three different blends, if you will. So we've got a Connecticut, a Puro, and a Cameroon. So the Puro is all Dominican. And then of course the Cameroon is Cameroon. But the really neat part about what these are is that the owner, Omar, has figured out a way to get these cigars onto the moon. So let's see what's in here. Oh. All right, let's see here. Let me get rid of some of this. Okay, this looks like it's the actual lunar lander that's in here. Let's reach down inside here. Get that. Okay, here it is. Okay. And, all right, so this is a mock-up, or, the design is from the new lunar lander. And there's only 200 of these out. And I think what happens is we just lift this up and the lander module's in there. Now, it's a humidor, and it has some special cigars in it. So let's see what we get. Let's see. Turn it around towards you guys. Okay. Here we go. Kind of fun. I can't really see too well, so I'm going kind of slow. Very cool. There it is. So this is a limited edition humidor. It's just 158 of 200. So inside here is a special cigar. I'm not going to open it up just yet. I know you probably want to see it, right? Well, let's do this. Let's take this guy out of here so you can kind of see what it is. Very nice. It's holding right there at 70%. It's been sitting in our humidor for a week. It's kind of neat. It's supposed to be the lunar lander. Okay. It's slow here. All right. So there's a couple Bovedas in here. And very cool. Oh, that smells so good. What is this? Okay, there's our band. Our cigars are tucked away in here. There's our Boveda. Kind of. We'll have to change that one out. Something right here from the middle. Here we go. Move this off to the side. Wow. That is a fat little cigar. Okay. So this, I think, I don't know which one this is, guys. Don't hang me on that. So there it is. That's the special blend that comes only in the lander. Okay. This one might be the Puro. Dominican over Dominican with Dominican. Don't quote me on that. I'll have to take a look at this. There's a way it's not really marked all that well as far as what this guy is, but let's slide this one back in here. Okay. Okay. Let's get this guy back on here and let's open up the second box because there are some more cigars coming out of the same series with this. There we go. There are my missing Oros. If you haven't tried one of these, I highly recommend it. This is a beautiful cigar. I was right. I think I'm right. The limited edition humidor is packed with the Puros, okay? Dominican over Dominican with a side of Dominican. And maybe dipped in Dominican. Okay, so these guys come in, let's see, Connecticut and Cameroon. All right, so that's what's in these guys. So these are small pods. And let's open one guy. Pretty neat. So these are mini little boxes. So this is your box of Cameroon. Yes, like so. These cigars are actually, this line of cigars is actually going to the moon. Yep, there we go. All right. So imagine that those are the same as everything else. So we'll open a box of Connecticut as well. So these are the individual boxes. So we'll be selling these singularly as well as boxes. They're still, I would say, a little bit more of a limited edition cigar. So let's go over here and let's see. There we go. All right, so this is the Connecticut. Very nice looking. And that Connecticut is a Connecticut wrapper, of course, over a Mexican binder. The fillers in this guy is Nicaraguan, Cameroon, and Dominican Republic. It's kind of slick. So, 15 cigars in here. Right, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Yep, 15 cigars. It's kind of nice. Okay, let's open up Mr. Cameroon. See that split? Oh, look at the nice color on that. Beautiful. I hope you can see that kind of through the cellophane. We have not smoked ours from the show yet. So here we go. We've got all of these guys going into the humidor in the next little bit. That's it. Fratello cigars are actually in the humidor right now, the regular core line. So there are 2 that come out of the Stellar series, I guess, if you'd call it, or the, yeah, let's call it the Stellar series. I don't have anything else to describe that with. And then we've got the Lunar series, and then we've got the core line. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Just a quick little unboxing video. And we will see you back here soon with another unboxing video. I'm Will with Blue Label Cigar Lounge. Have a nice day.